Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about what is staking. So make sure to watch the full video. Crypto staking involves locking up one's cryptocurrency holdings to earn interest or rewards. Technically, staking is how certain blockchain networks verify transactions. From an investor's perspective, staking cryptocurrency is a way of growing one's crypto holdings without needing to buy more. Staking crypto for maximum passive income is a legitimate way of earning yields through one's existing crypto holdings. Investors who participate in staking enjoy interest that is greater than what is offered through a regular bank account. There are other ways to make money in crypto, like staking. With staking, you can put your digital assets to work and earn passive income without selling them. In some ways, staking is similar to depositing cash in a high-yield savings account. Banks lend out your deposits, and you earn interest on your account balance. In theory, staking isn't too different from the bank deposit model, but the analogy only goes so far. Here's what you need to know about crypto staking. How does crypto staking work? There are many ways to start staking crypto. For starters, you can choose to validate transactions using your own computer. You can also assign your crypto to someone you trust and ask them to validate you. To understand staking, it helps to have a basic grasp of what blockchain networks do. Here are a few details you need to know. Blockchains are decentralized, meaning there's no middleman, such as a bank, to validate new activity and make sure it comports with a historic record maintained by computers across the network. Instead, users collate blocks of recent transactions and submit them for inclusion into an immutable historic record. Users whose blocks are accepted get a transaction fee paid in cryptocurrency. Staking is a way of preventing fraud and errors in this process. Users proposing a new block or voting to accept a proposed block put some of their own cryptocurrency on the line, which incentivizes playing by the rules. Generally, the more that is at stake, the better a user's chance of earning transaction fee rewards. Note that not all cryptocurrencies can be used to stake. We'll discuss more of this later, so keep watching. What is proof of stake? Staking is how proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies cultivate a functioning ecosystem on their networks. Typically, the bigger the stake, the greater chance validators get to add new blocks and earn rewards. Proof of stake is a consensus mechanism that allows blockchains to validate transactions. In proof of stake, POS, the number of coins or the amount of stake determines the chances of validating a new block. POS was created as an alternative consensus mechanism to the original proof of work, POO. POS is one of the most common consensus mechanisms and is continually gaining traction for its efficiency and the possibility of earning crypto staking rewards. Unlike POO, which is very energy intensive and requires a lot of computing power, POS does not require as much computational work to verify transactions. Coin owners stake their coins as collateral in order to validate blocks. Earn passive income with crypto. Crypto staking is a way of earning passive income, and it can be seen as the crypto world's equivalent of earning interest or dividends while holding onto your underlying assets. Staking allows you to earn cryptocurrency as a reward for using your existing holdings to vouch for the accuracy of transactions on an underlying blockchain network. While this sounds complicated, everyday users can often do it directly from their digital wallets, or they can use services provided by crypto exchanges that will handle the technical details for a cut of the proceeds. Generally speaking, cryptocurrency staking offers returns that exceed those you can earn in a savings account. However, staking is not without risk. You'll earn rewards in crypto, a volatile asset. Sometimes you have to lock up your crypto for a set period of time, and there is a chance that you could lose some of the cryptocurrency you staked as a penalty if the system doesn't work as expected. That said, staking can also be a way to grow your crypto portfolio using assets you plan to hang on to for a while. Staking is also a more energy-efficient way of running a crypto network than the mining process used by Bitcoin and some others. Have you explored other forms of passive income? Crypto staking is one way of earning passive income. which does not require daily effort after an initial investment. And while staking may be a good choice for some cryptocurrency owners, there are many other ways of generating passive income. It may be worth looking into some of those options as well. Other common forms of passive income include dividends from stock holdings, interest on bonds, and real estate income. There are also non-staking options for earning under crypto, including lending programs and decentralized finance, DeFi applications. What are the benefits of staking crypto? Earn passive income. If you don't plan on selling your cryptocurrency tokens in the immediate future, staking lets you earn passive income. Without staking, you would not have generated this income from your cryptocurrency investment. Easy to get started. You can get started staking quickly with an exchange or crypto wallet. It's as easy as setting up a crypto wallet, loading it with cryptos, and clicking the staking button on validators or staking pools within the wallet app, says Tracklehoon. Support crypto projects you like. Staking has the added benefit of contributing to the security and efficiency of the blockchain projects you support. By staking some of your funds, you make the blockchain more resistant to attacks and strengthen its ability to process transactions, says Tan Russell, Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of National Digital Asset Exchange, a cryptocurrency trading platform in Canada. What kind of returns does staking offer? The rewards for staking vary based on the cryptocurrency, conditions such as demand on the blockchain network in question, and the method you use. But the rates offered by exchanges offer some insight into what you can expect. Binance, US for instance, was estimating in September of 2022 that annual yield for its highest. Yield in cryptocurrency, Ethereum would be 13.5%. Coinbase, meanwhile, was offering Algorand staking at a 5.75% annual percentage yield. Is staking the right option? Staking may not be for everyone. There are a few questions to ask before making a decision about whether to stake your crypto. Should you stake crypto? Staking is a good option for investors interested in generating yields on their long-term investments who aren't bothered about short-term fluctuations in price. If you might need your money back in the short term before the staking period ends, you should avoid locking it up for staking. Razel advises that you carefully review the terms of the staking period to see how long it lasts and how long it would take to get your money back at the end when you decide to withdraw. He recommends only working with companies with a positive reputation and high security standards. If the interest rates seem too high to be true, you should approach cautiously, experts say. Last, staking, like any cryptocurrency investment, carries a high risk of losses. Only stake money you can afford to lose. When investing, it's possible to lose some, and very occasionally all of your money. Past performance is no prediction of future performance, and this article is not intended as a recommendation of any particular asset class, investment strategy, or product. Will you need access to your staked crypto? Crypto staking can involve committing your assets for a set period of time during which you might not be able to sell or trade them. If you think you might move your crypto on short notice, make sure you look at the terms carefully before staking it. It's important to remember that crypto is a volatile asset. While crypto staking can provide a measure of predictability in investment returns, if the market value for your cryptocurrency drops in value by 20% during the time you're staking it, for instance, the rewards you're getting may not look as attractive. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.